Well, good afternoon. My name is Chris Smith. I am the owner of Alpha Tool Tech here in New Haven. I'd just like to start with a brief introduction on who I am. And first off, I just want to say thank you for the opportunity to share a little bit about our company. I graduated here in New Haven High School in the year of 2000. I attended Four Rivers Area Vocational School at the time as well through the machine tool program. I attended East Central College with a 2-year associate's degree. I have 25 years of experience, all working here in businesses in New Haven. A year and a half ago, my wife and I had decided to start up our own business, but had a door of opportunity open up where the company CDE, formerly owned by Steve and Barb Kubiak here in New Haven, we bought that a year and a half ago, and since then have continued to expand our operations and to grow our business. To kind of give you a little bit about the background of the company before we got involved, it was primarily a machine fabrication shop, metal fabrication such as welding, tube bending, sheet metal work. And with my background in the CNC machining and programming, I since then had integrated those technologies into this company. So now we have multiple capabilities in the machine tool field and the fabrication field. We have products that we machine such as CNC milling, CNC lathe work, EDM technologies, and also fabrication skills such as tube bending, sheet metal work, and also robotic welding. So with that, we'll take a little tour of our shop. I'll let you know a little bit about what we do. And again, thanks for the opportunity to be able to share. So the first capability I would like to share is this wire EDM. It's a really state-of-the-art technology machine that uses a really thin brass wire that will cycle through the part and burn specific shapes that we design and program the machine to do. It's the most accurate machine. We can burn within tolerances up to microns, which is 0.0002 tenths of an inch. The next capability I'd like to share with you is our sheet metal work. This here is what we call a brake press. It is a CNC controlled machine where we can program different lengths, different angles of bends. And this is just a small sample of a part we have here with a 90-degree bend. But this machine is capable of bending up to 1/4 inch thick steel and 10 foot in length. So the next machine we have here is what we call a horizontal CNC mill. It's an automated machine where we can load parts while the machine is running, and it's self-sustaining. So basically the employee would be able to load the parts, hit start, walk away, and go run another machine while the machine does all the work for you. It's a multi-axis machine where you can machine on multiple sides of the part all in one program. So another capability we have in the metal fabrication is shear. A shear that is programmable with different lengths and different thicknesses. We can shear up to a 1/4 inch thick aluminum or 3/16 thick steel up to 10 foot long. So this machine here is a capability we have called mandrel tube bending. We're able to bend tubing in various angles, various different lengths. It is programmable, so it is repeatable for its quality. And as you can see, with mandrel bending, it makes a really good uniform bend with no wrinkling or collapsing of the metal. Again, it gives a special appearance for the finished product whenever it gets painted and was shipped to the customer. All right, here at Alpha Tool Tech, we have an automated robot cell for our welding production. We can produce up to 500 to 600 parts per day off a robot arm here that welds many structural parts that we ship every week to our customers. So within this past year and a half of owning Alpha Tool Tech, we have since added CNC milling and CNC lathe operations as well, expanding our capabilities and our workload. With the CNC mill, we're able to load 3D CAD software into the machine, load our tooling, and machine parts automated while employees are able to run multiple machines for efficiency and accuracy. So that was just a quick rundown of what we do here at Alpha Tool Tech, a little bit of the capabilities we have here. We have several other capabilities that we provide to our customers, such as metal finishing, powder coating, and anodizing that we do not do here, but we work with other customers and vendors to make a completed part and ship a completed build-to-print part to our customers. Just a couple samples of the parts we make here is we do machine tool work in the aerospace industry along with automotive tool and die and mold making processes as well. What products we are working on our own designs is a specific machine tool tooling that we are going to market as our own product. We got that coming up in the near future, and also expanding the capabilities with potentially adding a water jet and laser capabilities here within the next year. So within the past year and a half, it'd be actually our 2 years when it comes March, we have since went from 4 employees to 10 employees. We've more than doubled in size, and I'm also working with the Four Rivers program and an apprenticeship program where I'm bringing students in on a work-study-based program where they're able to come here, learn a trade, and work while they're also attending school in the machine tool program. So when we started this company, we had a 1 year, a 3 year, and a 5 year business plan. And we have already, within the first year and a half, have exceeded our 3 year business plan. And we are heading to our 5 year business plan heading into the new year. And what I mean by that is we're looking to expand our building and to grow our company even more as we are adding capabilities and the growing workforce. With that comes many challenges with the lack of space. We're going to have to figure options on how we are going to expand the operations here. And here at Industrial Drive on the east side of New Haven, we have challenges of just getting trucks in and out of our facility here with the lack of room that we have here. We will work through those challenges, working with the city actually right now with it to kind of come up with a plan that we can help with growing our business.